Hey everybody, Tom Costello, Keller Williams, Santa Monica. With this week's $1 Million Minute, we're continuing our series on great locations with Westside Village. It's a great little neighborhood just south of Westwood, north of Culver City, and just slightly east of the 405 and Santa Monica. It's actually part of Palms Mar Vista on the east side. Great little neighborhood, totally accessible to everything, the 10, the 405, so you can get north, south, east, and west. We are highlighting a great home, brand new construction by the numbers, 5 bedrooms, 6 bathroom, just under 4,000 square feet on an 8,700 square foot lot. I'm in the backyard right now on the upper deck, the master balcony, highlighting a couple great features. Right behind me, you can see one of them. Great yard. Look at the use of this space. I want to spin around so you can see one of the big trends now. People are using these great outdoor decks to expand their square footage, as well as the great outdoor patios that you can see right there. Such a great use of space. It's instant square footage, even though it's not counted in the official square footage. It gives you extra living spaces, which is what everybody wants. So again, brand new construction, just an incredible home right here. I'm gonna spin you around real quick in the master bathroom. Again, dual sinks, great tub, great shower, engineered hardwood floors, but you can hardly tell they look so good. And again, these walk-in closets are just fabulous. Let me spin around real quick so you can take a look. Okay, 2 other really great trends that I want to let you see. Number one, not only the use of decks, I'll spin and let you see this. They've got this really great kind of indoor foyer, which is a great lounging area, kind of a transition. Here's one of the other coolest features that I want to let you see, the glass walled staircase. It is so cool. As I walk down here, I'm gonna let you take a look at it. It's so great, it's classy, it's see-through, it lets you see everything that you need to see, and yet it doesn't obstruct your view. So here's the coolest part right here. Look at how much room you have for entertaining. You've got this great indoor, the kitchen area. Of course, it expands right out. It's where everybody wants to hang out. For everyday living or entertaining, it's just beautiful. My favorite part is this. These wonderful doors that just slide into the wall. We've seen that over and over. It's a huge trend. The reason it's great is because you've got a transparent wall, which again, voila, you walk right outside into this great outdoor gazebo. You've got area to just relax, to entertain, to barbecue, to hang out with friends. Look at that, isn't that a great view? It's just like extended view, it's extended living area. So as I spin around here, you can see more of the outdoor picnic area and this great stair-stepped kind of stadium trestled floors, backyard area. There's a couple options here. You could add a pool to it. They're thinking of either making a pool in this area and having that as the lounging area, or having the pool there behind the retaining walls and having this as the lounging area. I like that option better. A little more expensive. So again, trends. Glass stairways, open seating, great outdoor gazebos. It's all part of the future, and this home can be yours for the low price of $2.8 million. So if you want to see this or any of the other homes on tour, make sure you give us a call, 310-990-5777. For this week's $1 Million Minute, Tom Costello. Hope you have a great day. We'll see you soon.